Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com, where we will be discussing question. Both Beowulf and GrendelA Arabic poems written hundreds of years ago. Option B, they tell the story of Grendel's encounters with humans. Option C, are written in first person point of view. Option D, show the reader Grendel's perceptive on events. Read the description of General from the epic poem Beowulf. If General wins, it will be a gruesome day. He will glut himself on the gates, and there were a whole swoop without fear on the dead flower of manhood. As on others before, then my face won't be here to be covered in death. He will carry me away as he goes to around, gorged and bloodied. He will run gloating with my raw corpse and feed on it alone in a cruel frenzy, following his moor-nest. This version of Grendel is more than the version is John Gardner's novel, vicious, sensitive, and anxious gender. In Grendel, John Gardner uses first-person point of view to help the readers better understand the viewer false feelings. First-person point of view to help readers see gendered side of a family story. Third-person point of view to give character insight into all of the characters. Third-person point of view to give an impartial account of a well-known event. The correct answer of the question. The correct answers are question 1. Option number B, tell the story of Grendel's encounters with humans. Question 2, which is question 3, first person point of view to help readers see Grendel's side of a familiar story. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.